Step 3 is where we set up the data capture fields. At the top of the page there is a preview link. We can click on this link at any time to see what the page will look like. The option to have information collected for all attendees is the standard or default setting. Sometimes it can be good to change this setting to only allow the first attendee to fill in their information only. It is also possible to edit or even hide the standard text which tells the users to fill in the fields on the registration form. We will leave the standard text in place for this event. Now we move on to the more standard data capture fields themselves. As we can see, there are some fields already checked by default. We only want some basic fields for this event, so we'll choose the ones we want like so. If the person filling in their registration details is required to fill in a field to submit their details, we need to ensure the required field is checked. To reorder the fields for the form, we can click and drag them into place like so. In most cases, we won't need to edit any of the standard fields, but if we do need to, we can simply just click on the edit link. We can save the question order and question selected at any time by clicking on the Save Question Changes button. We'll add one custom question now. To do so, we click on the Add Custom Question button. Today we'll add a large text box, as we want to find out from those who are registering what they are expecting to learn from the seminar. We want to make this a question that they have to answer, so we click on the More link and check the Question is Required box like so. Then we save the details. If we had more than one custom question, we can reorder them with the same drag and drop technique we used in the standard questions section. It is also important to note that this question can be copied, deleted, edited, or disabled as well. We are also selling hats at the seminar, so we need to add an additional question to cater for this. In order to do this, we need to click on the Add Item button. We have 50 hats available to members at $24 each, so we add those details in like so. Once again, we can reorder questions in this category and have the ability to edit, copy, delete and disable these questions if need be. Waivers can be added, but we don't have any for this event. Once we are happy with everything on this page, we can scroll back to the top of the page and click the next button to take us to step 4.